So basically, the whole field of computer vision is empowering a whole broad and new set of applications. So these are everything from applications for computer vision in mobile imaging, to applications in AR and VR, to things like intelligent and smart home cameras, enterprise cameras for surveillance, to using computer vision for navigation and other types of applications in robotics, in drones, and then finally for potentially using CV in automotive. So these applications are really advancing the field of computer vision in several different ways. So in mobile imaging, sort of the whole concept of touch to track, in AR, VR, using 6DoF or 6 degrees of freedom through using a monocular or a stereo camera, to face detection and face recognition for smart home cameras as well as enterprise cameras, to SLAM, VSLAM in robotics and drones applications, and then finally in more of an automotive context for object detection and classification. So on the deep learning side of things, a lot of advances there, particularly in the last few years around deep learning. What do you get with it? So obviously there's ease of development relative to traditional CV, potentially greater accuracy, and better use of a significant amount of data for training these different types of models, and then more flexibility in terms of servicing different types of use cases. So everything from more visual use cases, object detection, object classification, to more things around audio processing, voice recognition, and NLU as well.